What's up, everybody? It's Doubly back for another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to zoom in slowly on Filmora 9. Let's just get right into the video. And go. Okay, so first you have to import your clip. I'm going to import my intro. I'm going to drag that down. I'm going to shorten it. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. Okay, after I shorten that, I have to go to crop. When you go to crop, it'll pull up an option where you could either crop it, the video, the full-on video, or the clip, or you could do pan and zoom. Click on pan and zoom and it'll take you to this right here, and the blue right here is where your video starts at. If you lower that, that's where your video will start at. It will be smaller, and the orange will turn blue when you click on it, as you can see right here. You could make it bigger, you can make it smaller if you want. I'm going to leave it like this. So the start will begin from this orange area, and it'll slowly zoom in until it reaches this blue area. I'm going to show you what the final cut looks like when it's zoomed in slowly. What's up, everybody? It's Doubly back for another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to zoom in slowly on Filmora 9. Let's just get right into the video. And that's it for the video. Hope you guys like and subscribe. I would absolutely love that. Bye!